how to send email using AOL mail. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your AOL application on your device. After opening up, you need to log into your account, and after logging in, you'll be able to see the home of AOL. So in the dot to send mail, you need to switch to the inbox option, which is right next to the home in the left hand side. And after that, you have to tap on the pen like icon, which is right next to the search bar in the right upper corner. And from over here, you have to select the person to whom you want to send the mail. You have to type the email of the person, and after entering the email over here in the tool, you have to go for subject and enter the subject. You can also attach the photos or folders, GIFs and anything from over here. And after typing the mail, you have to simply tap on the send option in the right upper corner, and you'll be able to send the mail. So by following this simple step, you can send email using AOL mail. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.